All right, here we are. This is the Intercontinental Hotel in Amman. I'm just doing a quick overnight trip, so figured I'd give you guys a quick peek. This is an IHG hotel, which is kind of cool. But yeah, let's take a look. As usual, I'm going to start off in the bathroom. And I have to say, this is pretty nice already. I really love those, I think they call them rainfall showers or something. But big, massive shower. Of course, toilet. And I still haven't figured out what that is for. I've been told it's to wash your feet, but I don't know. So, all right, well, let's keep going, obviously. Hi. There's a closet. This thing is pretty huge. So you got some storage space up there. Some hangers, like normal. Of course, an in-room safe. There's some slippers down there. No bathrobe, but hey, get what you can get. Ooh, loud. I think when I booked, I originally had booked two beds, but it didn't really matter. It's just me, so they actually upgraded me to this particular room, which is really cool. Nice little bowl of fruit and some welcome pastries. Let me turn the TV off there. It's getting kind of annoying. Little Nespresso pot machine doodad. Tea kettle, water, of course, snacks, some coffee, tea, and creamer. There's sugar or little Nescafe things that you can use for the in the tea kettle. What do we have down here? I just got in here, so I'm still exploring as well. Oh, nice little mini fridge. Got some sodas, some tonic water. I don't know what it is about the Middle East. I don't know if it's maybe just Jordan, but they love their sparkling water. Nice huge mirror. Let's take a look at the view. There's downtown Amman. And I don't know if this is a patio maybe for one of the cafes or what, but definitely not the worst view I've ever had. Nice couch, which is really cool. And yeah, I'm actually really excited about, a nice queen size bed. It does seem that you can't really book a place, or at least too often, that has a king size bed in it. The single beds are usually queens. But yeah, that's it. So until next time.